H, there's L. This one, L.
L.
This one, copy this.
O.
Then, O.
O.
E. E.
E.
Tapos, A. This one. Dali, patang dali. Put it here. A. And N. D. Then C. B. Do you know about Hindi?
Maka!
No. No, here. H. Wait, here. Okay. Now, I want to give you a high five. H. I don't know. I know. I don't have any idea of that. No. Just finish it.
That master just
H. A. Here. You follow teacher. Maze. Okay. S. A. S. S. There S. You're so cute, yeah? You're so cute.
I'm guapo.
He is guapo. He is handsome. Here. He's handsome daw. Yun siya. Kuya, come here, kuya. I don't know about Philippine language. There are so many in Philippine language. There is Visayan, there is Tagalog, and there's English as well. But English is our second language. Come here, kuya. You're not done yet, kuya. Here. No, here. You write it here. Okay, Laguna. Write the letter L, then A. You're almost done. A.
Then
A. Then G.
then
G. Tapos U. Why there is so less watch?
U.
I don't know. Maybe they don't like me.
My pipi nalubot.
No. Then N. Letter N. N. N and A.
Yeah, you got.
I got.
So you wear your mask, teacher.
No, I will wear mask tomorrow. Then letter N. N and A. Which type of video do you make?
And
No, I'm only doing live
A.
live sessions in YouTube. And I love doing live. No. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. I will check your work. I'm checking his activity. Would you like to tell about yourself? Yeah. I am 27 years old and Kuya, sit down. You know, my hobbies is I have many hobbies. My hobbies is reading books, writing, teaching, like that.
Kuya, when?
Hey, Kuya. Are you listening to me, Kuya? Just wait lang, I'm checking. I'm still checking.
Oyo. Isa pa.